think the real estate scenario and the segment, this all depends on the economy. So at the end of the day, I think it is more of the economy watching, and it is related to the economy, where there are certain challenges which are going to be there in the next 1 or 2 years because of the growth slowdown. So I think real estate segment is going to move with that. What I think is going to do very well is the very low cost or the ultra HNI type of segment, because these segments are quite stable, whereas the mid segment is going to be a bit more challenging, and where the more cautious and more product wise approach will need to be taken. The right product will always do well, whereas the wrong product will be a major challenge in this type of a market. See, it's not like that they are not investing in the Indian market. I think they are also waiting and watching for the political situation to get stabilized, and that typically happens whenever there is an election around the corner. So the PEs actually slow down. So I think the same thing is happening. Another reason is the rupee volatility. Now they don't want their money to go down because of the rupee depreciating. So I think once those elections are through, there is a stable government, the money will start coming back again. See, FDI always invests whenever there is big money coming in and builders have a holding capacity. They can increase the prices, they can do much more, there is no pressure to sell. So FDI always makes a difference, but at the current market scenario, you're very well aware of, it's a challenging scenario. So FDI will start coming in once we have a stable government in place. See, the PEs are investing through them. So the NBFCs are able to raise more money. They have, due to the regulations, they are able to do more flexible funding, lending. So, more foreign funds are finding it preferable to come through an NBFC route rather than coming through a direct PE route, because the restrictions are much lesser. I think real estate is going to change with times. Everything is not going to sell. It is the good players will always do well.